In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to italicize text in WhatsApp Web. By the end, you'll know 2 easy ways to add emphasis to your messages using italics, and you'll understand a few small details that make the formatting work every time. First, open your preferred web browser and search for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result to open the web version. It works best in modern browsers, so if something doesn't load correctly, updating your browser usually helps. Next, sign in. The most common method is scanning a QR code so your web session mirrors your phone. On your phone, open WhatsApp, find the option for linked devices, and use the built-in scanner to point at the QR on your computer screen. If you see an option to log in with your phone number instead, follow the on-screen prompts and verify as directed. Make sure both your phone and computer have an active internet connection, since the web app syncs with your mobile WhatsApp. Once you're in, navigate to the conversation where you want to use italics. You can click an existing chat or start a new one. Place your cursor in the message box and you're ready to format. The fastest way to italicize is by using underscores. Wrap your text with an underscore on both sides, with no spaces touching the underscores. For example, type underscore, then your words, then another underscore, like this. See you soon. If you add spaces next to the underscores, it won't format, so keep the underscores snug against the text. This works for single words or entire phrases. If you prefer a visual approach, type your message normally, then highlight the part you want to italicize. You can double-click a single word to select it, or click and drag to highlight a longer phrase. After the text is selected, a small formatting menu should appear. On some setups, you might need to click a BIU button or a 3-dot icon near the composer to reveal formatting options. From that menu, choose Italic. You'll see the selected text turn slanted right in the typing area, confirming the style has been applied. If you change your mind, you can click Italic again to remove it, or clear the selection and retype using underscores. Before you send, give your message a quick glance to ensure there aren't extra spaces around your underscores and that the right sections are highlighted. When you hit send, the recipient will see the italic styling on any device. That's all there is to it. Use underscores for speed, or the built-in menu for a point-and-click experience. Happy messaging!